Good morning, guys. New day, new vlog. I'm gonna quickly get ready for my day. I've done my meditation, my gratitude journaling. Gonna quickly ice my face and head out to work. It must have rained for sure yesterday because if you guys can see, the ground is completely drenched in water, and also the skies. Oh my god, my winter clouds are gone. That being said, today is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna show you guys how my office looks after the dark. Look at the ice, guys. It is so perfectly spherical today. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, so face is completely iced. Nice. Now let's get freshened up and get ready and leave for the work. So I'm all set for the day. I've already started eating because I'm running late. But I'll quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. Keeping it simple today. A t-shirt, normal pants. And now I'm gonna go eat my stuff. Oh, by the way, home cooked food is always the best. One of the hacks to be healthy is to eat home cooked food and to eat it daily, no matter what it is. Okay, so now we are on our way to work. It is raining so much today. I don't know what's wrong with Mumbai. One day it rains and the other day it is fine. Okay. Wowza. Just look at the sky, the streets. Everything is full of water. And let's run, we are late. Hello. Just look at the traffic in the other. It is crazy. So we are here. This is what I get to see every time I work. So beautiful. Now it's time to hustle for the day and get started in my work. So see you guys in the evening. Alright, so this is how it looks in the night after working hours. And actually, I'm gonna take you with me to a tour and show you how my workspace looks at night. So to be honest, I've not had dinner. I'm gonna have my dinner, quickly grab a sub downstairs, and then continue with my work. Oh, it's not that quiet actually. So this is how the cafeteria looks. It's huge. I usually grab a sub in the afternoons, but I thought I'll grab one today for the dinner. Okay, so we have our sub. Now let's head back to work. The lights look so pretty at night. Beautiful. Hey guys, done for the day. Now I'm gonna head back home, but I'll show you the office how it looks when no one is there after working hours. So it's just us and no one else. Only we are operating and the whole floor is empty and vacant. So guys, someone has still not picked up the Diwali hamper. I'm not sure why, but it is exactly as it is. So weird.
Done for the day finally, bro.
Done for the day finally.
You're special, bro.
What? Look at this, guys. Now there is not even a single person that I can see. There were so many people in the morning and now they are so less of them. Nearly no one is there. This is how it looks once everyone is gone. Crazy. Open up. हाँ आदि, we will drop you. Ertiga है? वो bro. Second time. अच्छा, you will sit towards the outside.
The outside, so I can get down.
Okay, got it. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye Adi. Yeah. The rhythm is different. Yeah. Then don't let me down. Then which other song? While my guitar gently weeps.
Have you heard the song?
Ha. In my life, yes, I've heard this one. Oh, it's a beautiful song, by the way. Have you heard Gravity?
No.
By Mr. Mayer, John Mayer. Gravity, crazy song. Oh, you should listen to him if you like classic.
I
have you
liked
heard?
his cover of Jimi Hendrix.
Yeah,
Jimi
he
Hendrix.
plays.
Actually, it was a cover of Bob Dylan song.
All Along the Watchtower. Obviously, bro. Obviously, it's a classic. The Mummy, King Jeremy, the wicked ruled his world. Alright guys, done for the day, back home, just downstairs. Time to go home and just relax. Tomorrow is a Friday, so it's gonna be much more chill. I'll try to do something unique tomorrow since I work from home, and I'll keep you guys posted. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Ooh. So I'm back home and my eye is waiting for me. How are you?
Fine.
How was your day?
It's very busy.
Busy day. Okay. So today I will talk about in general my take on how to tackle if you mess up something anywhere. The way I look at it is usually when you do something wrong, firstly it's okay. You're not expected to live your life with perfection. Perfection is good, but even if you're not perfect on some days or you mess up, it's fine. You're a human. It's human to do that. Because I see a lot of people taking a lot of stress at work or anywhere in their life. But the goal is to not do it properly. The goal is to do it. Doing it alone is a part of the process where you will achieve perfection. So yeah, that was just one of the things that I learned. And even Krishna, he says that you have to only focus on your actions, what you're doing. Not focus on perfection. Obviously, perfection will come eventually. If you stress about it after you're done with whatever you were doing, it's not going to change what you have done. So So might as well just be happy with the fact that you've already done it, isn't it? That would be my understanding of Krishna's wisdom today. I want to understand from my mother now on what should be our mindset if we mess up. आई, काय करायचं जर एखाद्या वेळेस आपण एखाद्या गोष्टीमध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम केला?
Just close your eyes and think about him. He's everywhere. He is with you.
That is
त्याच्यावर विश्वास ठेव आणि चालत राहा.
that is so pure and so simple.
मला फील येतं ते असं की आपण स्वर्गातच आहोत. Don't you think so?
This is so therapeutic just to watch these leaves winding with the breeze. So pretty. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for your support and watching my vlogs. I really appreciate it and I'm grateful for your support. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. If you like this vlog, share, like, subscribe and keep on watching. I'll come up with more content for you guys. Ciao.